up everyone? So today we're in the southern coast of Sri Lanka. We've come to a really quiet beachside village called Thalaramba. So this is the pretty authentic looking road that we're on right here. See the local looking houses. And we've come here because it's right near Mirissa, which is a popular spot. First we're just going to check out the beach here quickly, and then we're probably going to head to Mirissa Beach soon. Alright, change of plan. We saw people snorkeling here. Apparently there's turtles and loads of fish here. So yeah, I got my little goggles here, Speedos. And yeah, I'm going to take the GoPro in there and see if I can film anything cool. Beautiful. The color. We haven't seen water like that in a long time.
Yeah, first time.
Since Mexico maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is super transparent, tropical looking, beautiful. Let's go do some snorkeling again. So there is actually many other little beaches here. So we came around the coast there and yeah, found another nice little empty beach. We're gonna see if we can just go along the coast, along the beach until Mirissa. I've got a feeling we can't, but that's what we're gonna try and do anyway. So on our way to Mirissa Beach, we're going to stop by one of the main attractions here, which is called Coconut Tree Hill. So it's this pretty nice spot here with these spread out palm trees right on the coast. So it does actually look really cool. Haven't seen a spot like this before. Pretty interesting how they're all just growing out of the dirt pretty much. Then over here on the right side, got some more little beaches. Water is a really beautiful turquoise color here. Look at that. So we just come to this cool little spot at the side of the beach. So right next to the coconut tree hill. No idea what this beach is called. And we're just gonna get some lunch right now. And me and Carol are both gonna go for the vegetable chop suey, and that's 500 each. What do you think of this place so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. Very beautiful and not so crowded.
Yeah, it's not crowded at all. So usually it would be a lot more busy at this time of the year around December, but unfortunately they had the terrorist attacks in Easter this year. So obviously tourism's gone down big time, probably come back next year. So that's why it's all laid back and pretty much empty. There's tons of big hotels here, so I do imagine it gets really busy in this peak season, just not this year. Alright, so we just walked all the way from over there. This is Mirissa Beach, but before we hit the beach, we decided we're gonna go to this island thing here. Gotta go through this water. Watch out to not wet my camera. This is what I call a set of stairs. It's okay until this part. That is one sketchy slope. Whoa. So actually got a really nice view from up here of all the beaches. So check that out. Looks beautiful. So we've come to the opposite side of the beach now, just chilling here in the shade. All the tourists in front of us sunbathing, and there's loads of water sports here it seems. We saw people jet skiing, very popular for surfing as well. I think a lot of the south of Sri Lanka is popular for surfers. And overall it just seems like a really nice relaxing place. There's lots of restaurants and bars on the beach, so yeah, a lot of options here, and you can still find quiet spots like we've just found right now. What have we got here?
Banana fritters.
Banana fritters, Carol's favorite. That is 800. I got it also. And we come to a quieter beach at the side of Mirissa. Marissa's over there. Nice quiet beach right at the side. And it looks like it's going to be sunset time soon. Got some fishing boats and surfers out there. Pretty nice and peaceful. I didn't realize there'd be all these different beaches around here.
Yeah, I think there are 3 main beaches, right? Like that one, Mirissa, and then other 2.
Alright, we're back at our homestay now. I'll just show it you quickly. So this place is called Akash Villa and we got it on Airbnb for $20. So it is quite a big spacious room. Comes with the mosquito net. Got the cool elephants on the cover. And this is a AC room. And also in here we actually have quite a nice big bathroom. So pretty good. And it has also been the best internet that we've had since we've been here in Sri Lanka. Best internet we've had in a long time. So obviously for me with these videos that's a big plus. So I don't know where the next video is going to be. There's probably going to be 1 or 2 more videos from Sri Lanka still. So yeah, we'll just have to find out. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one.